Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today I'm going to talk about the iPhone SE 2, and also I have here the iPhone 8, and let's try to check if what are really the differences of this upcoming phone. Right guys, so let's talk about the processor. So the iPhone 8 runs with the hexa-core processor, while the iPhone SE 2 it runs with Apple A13 Bionic chip. And for that, we can say that with the performance, the iPhone SE 2 is much preferable. And let's talk about the storage. So the iPhone SE 2 has 64 variant, 128 variant, and also 256 gigabytes variant. While the iPhone 8, it only has 64 and the 256 gigabytes variant. And with the rear camera, so it both supports 12 megapixels. And the front, it has also 7 megapixels. Although they sound really the same, guys, but there are some differences and that we have to take note. And here are the following. So guys, let's have here the camera. So the iPhone SE 2, it has the ability to take portrait shots with its front 7 megapixels camera, and also it is capable of capturing 4K video at a 60 frames per second as well. And also with the RAM, guys, so the iPhone 8 supports 2 gigabytes of RAM, while the SE, it is rumored that it has 3 gigabytes due to the new chip requirements as well. Unfortunately, guys, so with the battery, so it has a similar 1821 milliamperes battery. So yes, and both of them supports fast charging ability. Guys, so the question is, should you upgrade? So it all really depends on you guys. So if you already have the iPhone 8, I think you just have to stick to it. While if you don't have the iPhone yet, or if you have not upgraded your phone like the iPhone 7, then I suggest you upgrade to the iPhone SE 2, since the price is much cheaper, but it's already equipped with the fast processor, so with the camera, which is much better than the iPhone 8. Alright, so let me know your comments below, and also if you like this video, just kindly click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated about the latest smartwatches and also the latest trends. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.